How nuclear power plant working. Before we start, let's talk about nuclear power plant. And those two things called cooling tower. A cooling tower is used in places like power plant, including nuclear, to remove excess heat from hot water. After being used to cool machine like turbine, the water becomes hot. This hot water is pumped into the cold tower. Inside the tower, the hot water is sprayed over special material called fuel. This breaks the water into tiny droplets, increasing surface area. A nuclear reactor is a machine that controls a process called nuclear fission to produce heat. How it works? Many people are gonna ask how it works. So inside the reactor, atoms, usually uranium, are split. This process releases a large amount of heat, more nutrients, which keep the reaction going. H2, chain reaction. The neutron heat other atom, causing more splitting. This is called a chain reaction. The reactor carefully controls this reaction so it doesn't get out of control. Heat is produced. The heat from fusion is used to boil water, create steam, and spin a turbine to generate electric. Let's talk about the position of worker. First, we have plant maintenance. Plant maintenance means inspecting, repairing, and maintaining equipment so the plant can run without failure or accident. Plant maintenance in a power plant like nuclear plant is all about keeping every system safe, reliable, and working efficiently. Preventive maintenance done regularly to avoid problems like checking pump, wall, pipes, replacing worn part, cleaning system. Plant maintenance has done a lot of great job. Second is a reactor operation. Reactor operation is about running a nuclear reactor safely and steadily to produce electricity. Think of it like controlling a very powerful engine, but with strict safety rules. It's a job of controlling the nuclear fission process so it produces the right amount of heat, stays stable, remains safe all time. Third is a radiation protection. Radiation protection is about keeping people safe from harmful radiation while still allowing a nuclear plant to operate. It means control exposure to ionizing radiation so it doesn't harm the human body. That device is a Geiger counter. It used to detect and measure radiation, especially ionizing radiation. Fourth is shift manager. A shift manager in a power plant, including nuclear plant, is the person who is in charge of the entire plant during their shift. They make sure everything runs safely, smoothly, and according to rules. The last one is security guard. Security guard in a power plant, especially a nuclear plant, have a very important job, protecting the facility from threat and unauthorized access. Check ID and permission. Allow only authorized people inside. Stop stranger or suspicious visitor. Thank you for spending your time and watching my video.